Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back, and welcome back again. So, today, guys, I want to show you guys a quick method that I use when I am crocheting locks that need repair at the root. So at first you want to gather all of the hair that you are going to combine with the lock. So you see all that new growth? Now I'm going to make sure I part the space that I want to work on. Then I take the part that is skinny and I roll it around until I get to the full body of the lock. Okay? Now I'm going to grab my crochet hook, which has this hook size of 0.5 millimeters. Okay, and then I'm just going to crochet the puffy tips of her new growth and crochet it into the body of the lock so we can get that full look. I would prefer to do this with a smaller needle because of how small the lock is, and the area that I'm working in prefers a smaller needle, and I would get more of a cleaner look. But I had a 0.05 millimeter hook needle, so the bigger the hook, the bigger the lock have to be. The smaller the hook, the smaller the lock has to be. So as you can see, the more I keep on poking the lock and pulling the hair through, I'm getting that look that I need. It's stitching in pretty well, and I'm going to keep on doing this until the lock forms into the look that I want it to look. And this method here is called locksmithing. You can see how I roll my thumb and then roll it on the palm of my hand. Roll my thumb one way and pull it with the palm of my hand just to get that finished look and the frizz to go. So yeah, that's my baby in the background. So we're going to continue with the crocheting. So like I said, for us to get that look that we need, and I'm gonna just keep going. It can be a little bulgy when you're trying to crochet it, and so all you do is roll it with the palm of your hand and you just keep going. Create the lock how you want it to get created for you to get that clean look.